Hello everyone, hope you're doing well today. So today's word is envisage. What does envisage means? Envisage means to foresee or predict a future event or to imagine or to visualize something. Few similar words to envisage are anticipate, imagine, forecast, etc. So now let us see how we can use this word envisage into a sentence. So here is the first example. I envisage they will get married next year. So what does this mean? This means that I am foreseeing an event that they'll get married next year. So I envisage, that is I predict or I foresee or I think they'll get married next year. Here's the second example, how we can use the word envisage. So, can you envisage life without internet? Now, what does this mean? This means that can you imagine your life without internet? So, you can put it as, can you envisage life without internet? Here is our last example. So, it is difficult to envisage how people will react. So, now what does this mean? This means that it is very difficult to predict or imagine how people will react. So you can say it is difficult to envisage how people will react. So here's hoping that you use the word envisage in at least one of the sentences that you formed today. And we'll see you tomorrow with a new word to add to your vocabulary. Thank you so much.